Welcome to the captivating world of the Trump Tower in Chicago, a towering symbol of architectural excellence. Rising 98 stories high, this modern marvel stands out with its sleek stainless steel and glass facade, glistening against the city's skyline. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by luxurious spaces that exude elegance and sophistication. The grand lobby welcomes you with its polished marble floors, soaring ceilings, and a stunning chandelier that cascades light, creating an atmosphere of opulence. As you make your way through the tower, you'll discover a meticulously designed interior that reflects the highest standards of craftsmanship. The residential units offer panoramic views of the city, with floor-to-ceiling windows that frame the magnificent skyline. The Trump Tower is not just a residential building, it is a destination in itself. Indulge in the ultimate shopping experience at the retail spaces on the lower floors, where renowned luxury brands showcase their finest offerings. Pamper yourself at the world-class spa and fitness center, where you can rejuvenate both body and mind. Venturing higher, the tower offers an array of dining options that cater to every palate. Experience exquisite culinary delights at the renowned restaurants, accompanied by breathtaking views that provide the perfect backdrop for a memorable dining experience. But it's not just the interior that makes the Trump Tower remarkable. As we venture out onto the tower's observation deck, we're treated to panoramic vistas of Chicago's skyline. From here, we can appreciate the architectural majesty of iconic structures like the Willis Tower and John Hancock Center, which have left an indelible mark on the city's landscape. The Trump Tower has become an integral part of Chicago's architectural identity, symbolizing both innovation and opulence. Its presence in the city's skyline is a testament to the vision and craftsmanship of its designers and builders. Join us as we delve deeper into the captivating world of the Trump Tower, exploring its architectural beauty, luxurious spaces, and panoramic views. Let us witness firsthand why this magnificent structure has become an iconic landmark in the heart of Chicago, forever etching its place in the history of modern architecture.